senior journalist, also joining me this evening. Smita, first to you, did you see this on the ground, the fact that NDA was winning this election, but the manner in which they've turned their foes into friends, and where within the Mahagathbandhan we've seen actually friends turning foes, Rahul Gandhi and Tejaswi, body language not quite in sync. Is that what has cost them this election as well, if exit polls are to be believed?
I think one thing I noticed this time, Navika, is that almost every election, you and I crisscross each other, whether in Bihar, UP, Karnataka, anywhere. But this election in Bihar, we didn't meet each other. But yes, you were there too, I was there too. And it's always interesting to see in this highly political state of Bihar, which way people think. And it was interesting because in huge numbers, they came out in the first round. So one would think that, okay, second round mein thoda ठंडा पड़ेगा. That didn't happen. Again in the second round there was this large numbers who have come out today to vote. Despite what happened yesterday in Delhi, it didn't cast a shadow. What you're asking me is about which way people are thinking. It's a milestone election, there's no doubt about it. It's like a referendum on Nitish's 2 decades of rule. There is no akrosh on the ground, which you yourself reported also. There's no anger against Nitish, which I also found a little surprising, is that you would presume that after 2 decades there'd be some kind of an anti-incumbency. There wasn't. To a large extent, there was, about 2 months back when I went out there, I found a little bit of a boredom that, and all those rumors that he's tired and he forgets things and all, they were very much up there about 2 months ago when I was there. But again, when I went this time, last week, I found that what had happened is that the RJD had made these memes, they had made jokes on social media, and lots of Bihari youth watch social media. And they were talking about everywhere about, jokes on Nitish Kumar that did not go well with women, that did not go well with the older generation, because they said, हमारे घर में भी तो बुजुर्ग हैं, हमें नहीं अच्छा लगता जब ऐसे मजाक उड़ाते हैं. To a large extent, RJD lost a chunk of votes because of that.